We can find the zeros of this rational function by taking the numerator and setting it equal to 0 and solving. 1 plus the sine of x equals 0. I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides, and then I want to ask myself, I should put x there. In order to solve this, we're going to ask ourselves, when does the sine equal -1? Sine is like our y value, and there's one place where it equals -1, and that's within this interval at 3 pi over 2. But before I can announce that the answer is D, I just have to make sure that if I plug in this value for the cosine of x, that it doesn't create an answer of 0 in the denominator. So let's just make sure. What is the cosine at 3 pi over 2? Because remember, we can never have 0 in the denominator. So we've announced that 3 pi over 2 would create a 0 or an x-intercept on this particular interval, but in order for it to truly be correct, we have to make sure, again, there's no 0 in the denominator. Okay, what is the cosine at 3 pi over 2? We can see right here the cosine is 0. That's a problem. So then that makes this an extraneous solution. It means I did all the work, but when I plug it back into that particular equation, I can see I can't use it. The function would be undefined if I chose 3 pi over 2. Let me look up here. So G has no zeros on the interval from 0 to 2 pi.